Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Avalon, 2005 to 2012? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the Toyota Avalon 2005 to 2012, the passenger compartment fuse box protects circuits like the rear and front power windows, front fog lights, OBD diagnostics, multiplex communication system, fuel filler door, climate control, and moonroof. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Avalon, 2005 to 2012, protects high-amp and essential circuits including the multi-port fuel injection system, ABS/VSC stability control, starter/ignition, headlamps, low and high beam, alternator charging, AC compressor clutch, cooling fan, and rear defogger. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.